Hey Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and I am in Barbados. If you've been watching my channel, you already know I am sharing with you Barbados, and I wanted to share with you my outfits that I had during this 4-night trip to Barbados. So let's get into today's video. Before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more better content to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into this video. All right, Explorers. So my first outfit, I don't even remember where I got this dress from. I want to say I found it at Ross or Dress Up. That's usually my go-tos. But I was having this, I just arrived in the hotel, probably got checked in around 5 p.m. I was exhausted. It's been a long day. So I did have on a nice comfy airplane outfit, which is usually my traditional. I have red sweatpants, and then I had on a long sleeve shirt because it was cold in Atlanta this morning. And then I had on a hoodie, which ended up not being enough because the airplane had the temperature on freezer. Like, it was cold. I've never been on a plane so cold before until today. So I came in slightly freshened up. My original intent was to go down and just hang out at the pool or whatever, but I was just exhausted. So I just came up, and I hadn't eaten today. So I just came up, changed, and went to the restaurant downstairs. And I changed into this, which is this nice and flowy yellow dress. Has multiple layers, really nice for being here in Barbados. It did get cool because where I went to the restaurant, it was like covered, but it was really outside. And that ocean breeze made it really cool. I wish I would have brought my cover-up scarf. But it was nice to keep my legs covered and everything. So here's what I have on. And then, I also have on my comfy sandals. I think they're called Earth Origins. They're really comfortable, and I brought them because they're nice to walk in. I tested them in Morocco and they work well. So yeah, so this is my outfit. It may recirculate one evening, but this is the first outfit I threw on after coming from the airport. So I almost forgot to do my outfit of the day today. Today I have on this orange dress. It's really light because it's like, I think it was like 83, 87 degrees Fahrenheit today. So that's hot and very humid because my hair was way more curly, or I guess not as puffy earlier, but it's just a dress. I'm also going to wear this as a cover up a little bit later because I am going on a catamaran tour for sunset. So I have this on, and then I have on these Earth Origins. I don't know why I can never remember the name, but Earth Origins sandals. I do have some earrings. These are pretty old earrings, and as always, my Fitbit. But yeah, that is the gist of it. What I did notice, this morning I went on a food tour, and it is windy here. The wind does help cool you down temporarily, and especially if it rains. This is November, from what I was told, is rainy season, and so it rains, but it's like, tropical rain, so it comes and goes really quickly. But when it was windy, I had to hold this dress down because it always wanted to fly up. So luckily I had my messenger bag on the right side, and then I could hold with my left when I needed to. So I got this dress from Amazon. I don't know if they're still selling it. I bought this probably 2 years ago for a photo shoot in Mexico. But if they still have the link to it, I'll leave it down below. Okay, so this morning for my outfit, I recycled that yellow dress that I just wore a few hours when I first arrived. So I wore that this morning for a rum tour. But now I have changed, came back freshened up, taken off that dress. The dress is done. It's been walking around, getting a little sweaty. But now I have on pool gear because yesterday I went to the ocean on the boat tour that I went on. That snorkeling adventure was off of Carlisle Bay Beach. So I'm like, I was gonna go back there, and I was like, wait, I was just at Carlisle Bay yesterday. So I want to do something different. And like Pebble Beach is like really close, like not even a 10-minute walk. but I'm hoping to go there Thursday morning because that's when the racehorses go out. But anyway, so I wanted to put on some pool appropriate wear. So I have on this bucket hat. Hopefully it stays on. Got it from Delta Airlines. And then I have on this wonderful pink cover-up dress. I have no idea where I got it from. I want to say I got it from Forever 21 because I've had it a while. And then I have on a one-piece black swimsuit. And of course I have on my Earth Origin sandals. I will be wearing those the entire trip, except for I did wear some water shoes yesterday. And then I have my sneakers that I will wear only in the airport. Okay, time for the next outfit of the day. Today's outfit, I have on this pink kind of sheer shirt. It can be kind of see-through if you wear something really bold underneath it. So I chose wisely of what I wear underneath. And I have some jean shorts. I'm pretty sure I got these from H&M over the summer. And then again, I have on my Earth Origin sandals that I got from DSW. Pretty easy today as I'm going on a tour of the entire island. All right. So it's time for my last outfit of the day. Now, mind you, I did get up this morning and go out to see the racehorses in the ocean. I kept calling them seahorses. I guess they are seahorses if they're in the ocean, whatever. And I wore a different swimsuit, but I wore the same cover up that I wore 2 days ago, maybe. So I didn't record that. But this is going to be my travel outfit today. I have on a t-shirt. So far, this is a shirt from my high school, but not when I was in high school. Someone gave it to me. Then I have on just some nice comfy pants and then my Brooks running shoes because they're comfortable. I also have on compression socks. You can see. So comfy pants. It also has pockets, which are nice. My pants on the way here did not have pockets. And this is a t-shirt. I do get cold on the plane. So I do have a hoodie here for the plane to keep me nice and cozy. I'm actually about to go check out and then go to lunch here. So this is my last outfit that I will be wearing in Barbados. So if you enjoyed this video showing you what I wore while here in Barbados, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can get an idea of what to wear when they come to Barbados. And if you enjoyed this video and you would love to leave me a tip to help support my business further, you can hit the thanks button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.